Graphic designers have a lot of different tools in their tool belts, but one that gets overlooked is the Wacom tablet. These tablets are an invaluable asset to any graphic designer's arsenal because they allow for quick and accurate precision when drawing out ideas on the computer. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wacom Intuos Pro M. The Wacom Intuos Pro M is a great option for graphic designers on the go. This tablet comes with an easy-to-use pen that gives you unparalleled accuracy while drawing, sketching, editing photos, and designing layouts. The new multi-touch gestures allow for more intuitive navigation, so you can spend less time learning how to use your tablet and more time using it. The Intuos Pro M is a tablet for professional designers. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to work on for hours or days. Its surface provides a natural feel while also being durable and hard-wearing. Its rechargeable battery has a long life but can last up to 18 months between charges. The pressure-sensitive pen with the Intuos Pro M has 4 programmable buttons that provide improved navigation within Adobe Creative Suite programs. The user might say, "I know that designing isn't an easy job. Even sitting for too many hours means you're not approaching your work at 100%. Alongside giving you outstanding comfort, so your production doesn't suffer from back pain, the Intuos Pro M will ensure accuracy." Number 2. Wacom MobileStudio Pro 16. Wacom's MobileStudio Pro 16 is the perfect tablet for graphic designers who need something with a bit more power. This top-of-the-line tablet comes equipped with 2 screens, one on either side, that give you plenty of room to work and edit your projects. The screen can be bent back completely so it rests comfortably against the keyboard, making this Wacom one of the most versatile tablets on our list. With this sleek and compact tablet, you can create on the go without compromising design quality. The 16-inch screen lets you draw in 4K resolution at a maximum speed of 80 inches per second. It comes complete with Wacom's Pro Pen 2, which features 2 buttons for increased functionality and 8 levels of customizable pressure sensitivity so that no details are lost within your work. Whether you're designing logos, flyers, or just sketching out your next big idea, this mobile studio has everything you need to stay creative wherever life takes you. Number 3. Wacom Intuos Pro Paper. Wacom's Intuos Pro Paper is the perfect tablet for graphic designers who want their work to have a more natural feel. This innovative tablet allows you to sketch and draw on real paper, but transfers your designs onto the computer automatically so you can edit them with ease. You don't even need a physical connection between the pen and the Wacom device in order for this process to occur because it all takes place wirelessly. You are making it an efficient companion when working on projects from beginning to end. The Wacom Intuos Pro Paper Medium is excellent for graphic designers, illustrators, photographers, and web developers. With an active area of 10 by 6 and a sensitivity of up to 2048 levels of pressure. This tablet gives you the precision needed to take your work to the next level. The all-new ergonomic design provides more comfort, so you can keep working for more extended periods without fatigue. And with express keys, it's easy for anyone to customize their shortcuts, so they spend less time learning how to use software and more time designing beautiful projects. Number 4. Wacom One Medium. Wacom One Medium is an excellent option for graphic designers who want a mobile tablet that doesn't have all of the bells and whistles. This relatively inexpensive device comes with one large screen, so you can work through your projects quickly but still maintain accuracy when designing layouts or editing photos. It also features 6 customizable express keys on either side to give you quick access to shortcuts without slowing down your workflow. The Wacom One Medium takes what you love about the pen and paper workflow. With 256 levels of pressure sensitivity, you can produce stroke-by-stroke effects in a digitally intricate manner. It's also compatible with Mac OS, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems, so it does not take up excess desk space when sitting on your computer. Smoothly create complex vector graphics that have depth and expressiveness at high speeds to give you an edge over competitors by taking full advantage of what the medium has to offer. If compatibility is something you seek for your creative endeavors, move onward. The Wacom One has 1080 lines per inch, which means accuracy is paramount when drawing our digital art.